Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have ordered this Bkbkday Wi-Fi range extender and I'm gonna unbox it and gonna see what it is. This I purchased from Amazon. So let me just take off the outer cover. So I removed the outer cover. What have I got? Wow, this looks like plug and play. They have advertised in this in their what do you call advertisement. Same CC. This is gonna go into plug. What else I have got in this? There should be some manual if I'm not wrong. Otherwise, how will somebody come to know? Yes, quick manual. So I'm gonna use it as a repeater. I don't want to use it as like access point. So I need to see. Routers turn able to access internet before setting. Okay, fine. Plug the power outlet near your router. Recommend within 20 feet. Okay. Go to phone setting, LAN. Then search the network repeater and click on connect. Once connect to extender, go to this login page. Login. Go to the repeater mode. Select the Wi-Fi credential password and then do it. Okay, I'm gonna test it. It's pretty simple. Alright, it looks pretty simple and hopefully it works. If anything happens with this, I'll the channel. Thank you.